Good afternoon everybody, Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be checking out the Mixcder active noise cancelling headphones. These are wireless. The model is the E9, if you can see it down there in the corner. Sorry, the box is kind of reflective right now because it still has the plastic on it. Mixcder did send these out to me for review, so they came in today. Really nice of them. These look like some actually pretty good headphones. And from what it says on the side here, let me just take that plastic off so we can see it a little bit better. We do have a compact carrying case, adjustable and foldable, wireless and wired, 40mm large aperture drivers, around 30 hours playtime. Obviously that's going to depend on your volume and stuff like that, whether you're wired or wireless. Active noise cancellation built in, which I'm pretty sure you can turn on and off. Your different supports right here, built-in battery, 500 milliamp hours. Playtime is about 30 hours with active noise cancellation, and 30 hours without active noise cancellation, and 24 hours with active noise cancellation. Not too bad. We'll see if that holds true. I will be trying these out. So right here we have the headphones in the bag. There's nothing else in the box. So everything you get comes in the carrying case already. This is a really nice carrying case. It is a hard shell case. It's got a nice big loop on it if you want to attach it to a backpack or something like that. Nice zipper, easy to open. So right here we have the headphones. They are strapped in there so they're not going to fly out if you open the case upside down or something like that. You won't lose them. They feel pretty nice. Nice band on them. The headphones twist very nicely. I'm not going to test them out in this video. I will be trying them out and doing a review later on. But we have your USB charging. It's micro USB. Looks like a power light, power button right there. Volume up, volume down, volume up right here. So it's two separate buttons. You have your active noise cancellation right here, which you can turn on and off by itself. It looks like, because it turns on without the headphones being on. So it looks like that's probably just Bluetooth, and then this is your active noise cancellation. You can turn that on or off when you're using your headphone jack. So I'll have to test that out and play around with it and see how all that works and how the settings work and stuff like that with the active noise cancellation if you're using them wired or wireless. And what else you get in the box right here, you have a user manual. You have a thank you for your purchase card with the warranty information on it right there. You get a 3.5 to 3.5 millimeter cable if you want to use it wired. Not the best quality cable, it's not braided or anything like that, it's just a thin rubber cable, but it is nice that one is included. Same with your micro USB cable, just a regular micro USB cable, nothing special about it. And the one thing they also do include if you want to use this is an airplane adapter. So this plugs into the old style airplane adapter to give you left and right audio on airplanes. I'm sure not many use this anymore, but it is nice to see it included if you need that option. So there are the Mixcder model E9, I think they were. Yeah, model E9 wireless noise cancelling headphones. I'm going to try them out for about a week and then I will come back with my review. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe.